Lahat ng option, masyadong mataas yung echo niya. Wait lang.
Hindi yan!
Ulitin mo pa, ulitin mo.
Hello, hello.
Ulit, pakinggan mo tayo sa...
Si Ansel, ulit-ulitin.
Okay, kailan na to?
You know our love was meant to be.